There's a saying in the industry, and in our industry we say that after you make a deal, don't buy it back. What does it mean to you?
Well, fundamentally, when you've finally convinced somebody that to solve their problem, and they decide to go ahead with it, if you continue to introduce more benefits or talk more about the situation, you could enter into a conversation where they say, well, I didn't know about that. Oh, tell me about that. And then they ended up changing their mind, and you fundamentally bought it back when you could have just basically shut up, asked a closing question, wait for the closing answer, and then move on.
So I think what you're saying is make an honest and real presentation, and then once they agree to buy, go on and talk about their families, go on and talk about something genuine that you two enjoy doing,
right,
and enjoy yourself.
Yeah, move away from the transaction that you were
They used
doing.
to say that a good salesman was a good talker. Is that true?
I think that is not true. I think definitely they're good at communicating, but the most important part of communicating is listening. And if you're talking, you should only talk 30% of the time, and those should be in terms of questions where the other person is talking. The person in control in an interview is the person asking the questions. If you want to be in control of where that whole conversation goes, which you should be asking questions and they should be answering the questions. So I would say no, that you shouldn't be talking most of the time. You should be listening to what they're talking about.